The Houston police officer severely burned in a fiery crash last Christmas Eve is getting a huge surprise today.
Thank him for his service by gifting him with a free vehicle, gifted through Geico.
You can tell he was pretty surprised. Officer John Daly had no idea that he was getting a free car. He thought he was accepting an award for the police department. Daly and his partner, Officer Alonzo Reed, were hit by a drunk driver last Christmas Eve. Daly suffered burns over 50% of his body. Reed pulled him from the burning SUV, saving his life. Now, Daly still faces a lot of rehab and a lot of therapy and recently lost his only means of transportation.
I'm in the hunt for another vehicle, and y'all to provide me with a vehicle, and man, that's just amazing. Again, I wasn't even expecting it. There's gifts in there that are they hit home. There's, for example, I'm getting a therapy dog, and there's dog toys in there, and then things to work out.
Now, Daly says he is doing well. He's jogging again and hopes to be able to start running again soon. He wants the drunk driver who hit him to be caught and encourages whoever knows who it is, or if you're that person, to turn yourselves in.